to make oobleck. Be caution, it's very messy. So, yeah. So the ingredients are any kind of cornstarch. You want to pour it in. You want to add more cornstarch than the other one, so I'm just going to pour it all in. It's very messy, okay? I'm going to try to get it all out. Okay, then you're going to add some water. You don't want to add a lot. So, not a lot, but not a little. So I'm going to add, I'm just going to pour it. Okay, it's starting to form, surprisingly. And if you add too much water, it will turn. If you add too much water, it will turn into just, it will look like milk, but do not eat it. It does not taste like milk. So I'm gonna add some more water. Like you don't want to speak cornstarch. No punches that you load. You got to keep it cold. You wanna say. So I'm gonna get it away from the water. And I'm gonna cook that instead. I guess you never know me. Why don't you say so? Then if you could always add more cornstarch, like right now, sometimes that will happen. So I'm just gonna add some more cornstarch. So yeah, floating. That's like really, like that's how you know it's really good. So right now it's holding it, it's a solid. So I'm gonna add some more water, but a little bit because it might melt. So right now it's turning, okay. So now I'm gonna pick them up. Right now it's very hard, but then in your hand it's melting. And I'm gonna put it back down. Now it's really hard. Like I'm really trying. Okay. Oh. Now it just melts in your hand. So I'm gonna add some more cornstarch because it's very watery. So if it doesn't spread, that's how you know it's good. But if it does spread, that's how you know you're gonna need some more cornstarch. So right now it's super hard. Like look at that. Now I'm gonna put some on. It's really hard, as you can see. When I put it on my hand, it will melt like that. So it turns into a liquid. But when I break it, when I go like this, it's a solid. I'm not sure how it works. I'm very confused. So let's see one of the, someone. Okay, so here's our person. So see when you touch it, this is solid.
Yeah, it's hard.
Now put it in your hand. Now doesn't it melt?
Wait, I know how to make it not melt. You squeeze it and then it melts. Whoa.
Or if you just go really fast, it will not melt. But if you just leave it there, it will. So what do you give this a rating?
10 out of 10. This is so cool.
Thank you. Okay. That's how you do it. Bye, guys.